Hello, students. Let us continue Chapter 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants. In the previous class, we discussed about the circulatory system and about blood and the functions of blood. Let us now discuss the next topic, blood vessels. There are different types of blood vessels in the body. You know that during inhalation, a fresh supply of oxygen fills the lungs. Oxygen has to be transported to the rest of the body. Also, the blood picks up the waste materials, including carbon dioxide, from the cells. This blood has to go back to the heart for transport to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide, as you have learned in chapter 10. So, two types of blood vessels are present in the arteries and veins of the body. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Since the blood flow is rapid and at a high pressure, the arteries have thick elastic walls. So, here we have read about the blood vessels. Our body contains tube like structures called the blood vessels that help in the transportation of blood throughout our body. We also know that during inhalation, oxygen is inhaled and this fills the lungs with oxygen. But this oxygen has to be transported to other parts of the body. We have learned that blood transports waste for removal from the body. So, blood also transport waste materials which include carbon dioxide from the cells. So, this blood which contains the carbon dioxide goes back to the heart for removal of कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. लेकिन हार्ट से ये जाता है, इट इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द लंग्स और यहाँ से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिमूव होता है. हाउ डज इट गेट्स रिमूव्ड? It gets removed by the process of exhalation. When we exhale carbon dioxide. Our body contains two types of blood vessels based on the function that they perform. These are arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. And what does the veins do? We will study it shortly, but let me tell you that veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. And what do arteries do? Just like we discussed over here, arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart से कहाँ? To all parts of the body. Now, since this change of flow of blood is rapid and it has a high pressure, arteries के walls कैसे होते हैं? They are thick and they are elastic. That is, arteries have thick elastic walls. Let us perform an activity to study the flow of blood through arteries. That is, in the following activity, we can study the flow of blood through our arteries. Activity 11.1. Place the middle and index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. Can you feel some throbbing movements? Why do you think there is throbbing? This throbbing is called the pulse and it is due to the blood flowing in the arteries. Count the number of pulse beats in 1 minute. How many pulse beats could you count? The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. A resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 and 80 beats per minute. Find other places in your body where you can feel the pulse. record your own pulse beats per minute and those of your classmates. For performing this activity, you have to check your pulse. And how will you do that? For checking your pulse, you have to place the middle finger and the index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist as it is shown in the figure 11.2. When you do so, you can feel some throbbing movement. कुछ movement feel होगा and this movement for throbbing is called pulse, and this happens due to the blood which is flowing in the arteries. Next, you have to find the number of pulse beats in 1 minute, that is the number of beats per minute. And now we have a name for that. The number of beats per minute is called pulse rate. So you have to check your pulse rate and record the number of pulse beats per minute of you and your friends or your classmates in this table 11.1. So I have performed this activity on my own. That is, I checked my pulse rate and I got the pulse per minute. That is, I got my pulse rate which is 76 per minute. When I was in the resting position, I got my pulse rate as 76 beats per minute. So in the same way, you can also check your pulse rate.